Hello, hi guys. Today we will talk about the general topic. After clear the MSc Chemistry entrance exam in Central University of Hyderabad, after joining the MSc Chemistry, what are the basics topics during the 2 years course, total 4 semester, 2 years course, and what are the syllabus and what are the topics in during of 2 years we will discuss today. So we will see that here the course structure for MSc Chemistry program in Central University of Hyderabad. We will see the first one, the course structure of MSc Chemistry program, the Central University of Hyderabad. Course duration is the 2 years and the total the 4 semesters. Total how many semester? 4 semester. So you can see that first one semester, in the sense first year, first semester, the first one topic is basic concepts and coordination chemistry, and second one is the physical chemistry, and third one is the quantum chemistry, fourth one mathematics for chemist, and fifth and sixth and seventh one are the lab. So the fifth one is the inorganic chemistry lab, qualitative and quantitative analysis, and you can see the sixth one is organic chemistry lab. They will teach you the techniques in lab, and seventh one is the computer programming lab. So in the first semester, in the first year first semester, we have the total 4 subject: basic concept and coordination chemistry, second one is the physical inorganic chemistry, and third one is the quantum chemistry, fourth one mathematics for chemist. These are the 4 subjects in first semester in first year, and remaining 3 are the lab work: inorganic chemistry lab and organic chemistry lab and computer programming. This is the first semester. May briefly the topics in first year. You can see the second semester. What is the second semester? The first one topic is, the first one lesson is main group and inner transition elements. The first one is main group and inner transition elements, and second one organic reactions and mechanisms, and third one is the molecular spectroscopy, and fourth one statistical thermodynamics, and fifth one is the lab, inorganic chemistry lab, that is completely synthesis part, and the sixth one is the physical chemistry lab. So here the total 4 subject and 2 are the labs. So main group elements like and inner transition elements, organic reaction and mechanism, molecular spectroscopy, statistical thermodynamic, and fifth one is the lab, that is the inorganic chemistry lab, and the sixth one is the physical chemistry lab. So this is the second semester in first year. You will enter into that second year. The second year is the first semester, means like third semester. Second year, third semester is, these are the, again you have the 2 labs and 5 subjects, like 5 topics. Okay, spectroscopic methods for structural elucidation, and second one advanced organic synthesis, and sixth and third one is the chemical dynamics, and fourth one chemistry of materials, and fifth one is the advanced inorganic chemistry, and sixth one organic chemistry lab, that is synthesis, and seventh one instrumentation and computer application lab. So these are the 7 topics for the third semester in second year. Okay, next we will look into the fourth semester in second year. Fourth semester, you can see that first one is biological chemistry, second one is seminar coursework, and third one is a project, and fourth one elective paper, fifth one also elective paper, and sixth one also elective paper. This is the fourth semester course structure, like syllabus. You can see here that biological chemistry, seminar coursework, project, elective 1, elective 2, and elective 3. Okay, you can see what are the elective papers. These are very important. Total in Central University of Hyderabad in School of Chemistry, they are offering 11 elective papers. Okay, the first one is the total 11 elective papers. The first one organometallic chemistry, second one supramolecular chemistry, and third one stereoselective organic synthesis, fourth one advanced magnetic resonance, and the fifth one DFT, means density functional theory, and sixth one advanced chemical dynamics, seventh one computational chemistry, and eighth one physical methods for inorganic chemistry, and ninth one polymer chemistry, 10th one natural products and medicinal chemistry, 11th one introduction to high energy materials. These are the elective papers for the fourth semesters. You can choose any 3 elective papers. Either you are going to the organic metallic chemistry, supramolecular chemistry, stereoselective organic synthesis, advanced magnetic resonance, density functional theory like computational completely DFT, and sixth one is the advanced chemical dynamic, and seventh one is the computational chemistry, and eighth one physical methods for inorganic chemistry, polymer chemistry, natural products and medicinal chemistry, and introduction to high energy materials. These are the elective papers. You can see after elective what the students should learn from the seminar course. So what is the seminar course? The main object of this course is seminar to train the student to read and understand the journals like articles, literatures, and to improve their communication skills. And each student has to give a seminar like a PPT PowerPoint presentation on the topic based on a review in a chemistry journals, and that should be have the appears during the previous 10 years papers. 10 years articles you can download and you can make it PPT and they can give the seminar course. So each seminar will be the 30 minutes, 20 minutes is presentation, 10 minutes for question and answer durations. And oral presentation is 60 marks and SI is the 20 marks and written examination is 20 marks. Okay. This is that seminar course complete data, the structure and the brief introduction about the seminar course, what we understood the seminar course, what we need to do, okay, what it has, the seminar course. Next we will talk about the project. Okay, in fourth semester the one paper is a project. So each student is assigned to a faculty supervisor to carry out the research project. They will be trained in a searching like research literature as well as the experimental and computational work specific to the chosen research problems. At the end of the project they will submit a report of the work done and make a presentation This is the project you need to do under supervisor. In lab you will go experimental and theoretical and computational also. So then you will learn what is project, and they will understood what is research, how to analyze the data, and what is that basic things they will understood here. So from that this is I can conclude it. This is I was plan to explain you 2 years course in MSc Chemistry in School of Chemistry, University of Hyderabad. The course duration is the 2 years and the total 4 semester, and first year you have the 2 semester, second year is the 2 semester. Okay, each semester what are the topics I was given the briefly, and what is the fourth semester like it have the seminar and project and elective papers, and what is biological chemistry. These things we will discuss it. Okay, the next video I will give you detailed information about the each topic, what are the important questions and what are the important topics we will discuss. Okay, so thank you very much for your watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks, boy. See you. Have a nice day. Wish you good luck. So you can see here seminar course and third semester, second semester. Okay, you can see here first semester syllabus, what are the first semester we need to learn, and you can see the second semester also what we need to know these topics, and third semester this is spectroscopy methods and you need to know in third semester, and fourth semester this is things like biological chemistry, seminar, project and elective 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and these are the elective papers. I will recall again. These are the elective papers like organometallic chemistry and supramolecular chemistry, stereoselective organic synthesis, advanced magnetic resonance, density functional theory, simply we will call DFT calculation, advanced chemical dynamics, computational chemistry, physical methods in organic chemistry, polymer chemistry, natural products and medicinal chemistry, and you can see the introduction to high energy material. These are the some elective papers these in School of Chemistry they are offering, and these are the like seminar course detail information, and this is the project work detail information. Okay, we will see you back. See you. Thank you very much. Bye. See you.